Nature and properties of matter. Matter is an object that have mass and occupies space. Matter can be divided into two groups, pure substances and mixture. Pure substance can be divided as elements and compounds. Mixture can be divided as homogeneous and heterogeneous. The pure substances with specific properties which cannot be divided furthermore by physical or chemical method is known as elements. There are about 120 elements have been discovered up to now, such as copper, iron, sulfur, mercury, carbon, aluminium, silver, chlorine, hydrogen, helium, oxygen, etc. Symbols are used to indicate elements. Very often English names are used. When symbols used, single letter should be in capital and second letter should be in simple. These are the first 20 elements in the periodic table. In some elements, the symbol is originated in its Latin name. Sodium is known as natrium, copper is known as cuprum, lead is known as plumbum, gold is known as aurum, mercury is known as hydrogyrum, iron is known as ferrum, silver is known as argentum. Building units of elements. Matter is composed of particles. These particles cannot be observed through our naked eyes or even by a powerful microscope. These very tiny particles are called as atoms. The English word atom is originated from Greek. An element is composed of the atoms of the same type. The units formed by the combination of one or more atoms of the same type or one or more atoms of different types are called molecules. Homoatomic molecule. Molecules formed by the atoms of the same elements are known as homoatomic molecules. These are some structure of homoatomic molecule. Atomic structure. A greater part of the atom is an empty space. Almost the entire mass of the atom is concentrated at a central core. This central core is positively charged and is called the nucleus. It was discovered by Ernest Rutherford. This is the illustration of an atom. Relative masses and relative charges of subatomic particles. Protons and neutron is located in the nucleus and electron is around the nucleus. Proton and neutron's mass is 1 and electron's mass is 1 over 1840. Charge of proton is positive 1 and neutron is 0 and electron is negative 1. Atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus of a given atom of an element is called the atomic number. It is represented by Z. Mass number. The sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of a given atom is known as mass number. It is represented by A. Representing mass number and atomic number of an atom. Mass number must be above the element and atomic number must be below the element. Compounds. Pure substances with specific properties formed by the chemical combination of two more elements in a fixed ratio are called compounds. There are many compounds in the nature which occur from the combination of two or more elements, such as water, glucose, methane, carbon dioxide, sodium chloride, copper sulfate, calcium carbonate, hexane, benzene, acetylene, hydrochloric acid, ethane, sucrose, etc. Heteroatomic molecule. The molecules contain atoms that are different from each other. These are called heteroatomic molecules. There are many heteroatomic molecules. Some of them are water, methane, carbon dioxide, hydrochloric acid. These are some heteroatomic molecule structure. Mixtures. A matter which consists of two or more constituents which can be separated by physical or chemical methods are called mixtures. Mixtures are formed when two or more pure substances get mixed. The pure substances in the mixture is called the constituents. Given below are some mixtures and their constituents. Some physical methods of separating constituents in mixture, such as panning, winnowing, floating on water, sifting, evaporating, fractional distillation, steam distillation, crystallization, uses of magnets. Types of mixtures. There are two types of mixtures, such as homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. The mixture with a uniform composition right throughout the mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Example: salt solution, sugar solution, seawater, etc. Heterogeneous mixtures. The mixture without a uniform composition right throughout the mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Example: muddy water, mortar water, ice cream, fruit salad, etc. So this is the end of the session. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel to get more ideas on science.